I started to open it. I started to open it without you guys. Sorry about that. I got one strap off. Then I remembered you guys. I know you guys want to see me open it. Duh. Alright. Like I said, I got that one done. Had it for over a week. Sitting here, ain't opened it. Hope it runs. Wow, that engine plate's got 2 grooves in it. What the hell? That's kind of weird. Do you think that's weird that it's grooved like that? So he's over here. To open this 670. Predator 670. You get your warning manual. Tells you to rub the shit out of it after you take the governor out. %, that's what it says. That didn't sound good. That did not sound good. What the hell did that break? Why the hell would that have done that? If you got it, what the hell did that break? Swear to God, if that broke something, I'm gonna be pissed. I don't want to have to take it back, that shit's heavy. Gee, mister, you're strong. Do some Redbeard's garage type stuff. Of course it's bolted to wood. Why wouldn't it be? I mean, duh. Wish I could get a hold of it. Bertha. like to know what that cracking sound was when we pulled the box off. Alright, hopefully this works. My files keep getting corrupted. It says files cannot be repaired. I don't know what the hell's going on with my GoPro. Alright, so like I said, I welded the whole front end up, but you guys don't know that now. I had to extend that bracket for the tie rod because it used to ride down on this and then have to be pushed down. I extended it literally like 5 inches and welded a broken bracket. It was terrible. I don't understand why it was like that. I don't understand why I had to extend it. But here's what happens when you order over $1,000 worth of stuff from Go Power Sports. Caution. Heavy. Alright, let's see if they got it all in here, boys. It took them 7 days to send us out. My other order, I ordered way after, came quicker. Alright, so here's the belt for the dirt bike. We got a belt for the dirt bike. Alright, we got us our mechanical brake for the Yerf dog. This is a 1-inch sprocket hub. I have one on there. I just bought this extra. I like mine actually because the holes are actually all the way through tapered out, so I like that better. Alright, we got us some yellow line, 10 foot. We got us some non-hardening gas line in here. For some reason it's stuck in with a sprocket. We got us a 60-tooth 40 series sprocket for the split sprocket with my because I have so many 35s that fit that too. But we got us a fuel shutoff valve, 4 filters in there, and some clips. As you can see, there's 2 different types of filters too. There's that one, and then that one. I don't know if you can see good. We'll open that stuff up later. We bought us. This is supposed to be a lot of. I bought a lot of chain. I was going to get the pre-stretched chain, but they said they was out of it. Ooh, look what that says right there. That's what you like to see. Yeah, but they said they was out of it, man. So I got the regular 40 series chain. Here's our big 670 mount. This also fits the 420. This is the 420 engine plate, the 670. So we got our engine plate for the 670. Here we got our big transmission. Yep. Here's our $595 transmission. Hopefully you can see me. Thought I heard my dogs. We got some people walking around in the middle of the night while people are home breaking in the houses, so that's a no-no. We're gonna kill him. We're gonna kill him. Don't break in. Definitely don't break in while people are fucking home. Like, what is your problem, dude? Alright, so we got us a 40 series Comet belt. Comet belt. I wanted all Comet. and a Go Power Sports cheesy sticker. They gave me the cheesy one. Like, look at this one on the front. I love this one. And I'm going to need a new one. And why didn't they give me a sticker with the rest of the stuff, you know? Come on, guys. They didn't give me no stickers with my gussets. My gussets either. I've ordered more than cars and cameras I've ordered from these guys. Okay, so we got our 780 driven. And here's our back clutch with the back plate. That's all that's in there, boys. And a box that has a comment sticker on it. So I just wanted to do this little unboxing with you. I think that's everything I'm supposed to have. I should go check the order sheet. I thought there was going to be one laying in here. So this belt I thought would be like Kevlar. I don't think it is, but I guess these comments are the shit. I was going to order an extra one, but I'm going to wait just getting one next month. But I don't think I'll need one because I'm really good at aligning stuff, you know, right off the rip. So I bought the non-hardening line, non-hardening line, non-hardening line, master link for chain, fuel filter, two different types of fuel filters, which two more fuel filters, control shutoff valve for the bottom of the aluminum tank, that sprocket, which we will be buying all kinds of different sprockets for different gearing. Right now we'll be lucky to get done in a month, so I didn't worry about it. And it looks as though I only see 3 fuel clips. There's one. I can't remember how many fuel clips I ordered. I have a whole bag of them somewhere, I just can't find them. Another master link. I ordered 2 master links, I believe. So we'll go down and get the sheet, and we'll make sure it's all here. It's about dinner time. My dinner will be coming home. Alright, so let's take some of this shit out. It's an empty roll of wire. These the hub. 3 fuel. I can't believe it came in pieces. I thought this was gonna. I'm not gonna lie, Go Power Sports. I thought this was in one piece when you did that. That's kind of fucked up. What if I needed that in one length? Don't tell me to be putting it together in different bands either. Like this, one length like this. So, you know, and this shit sucks with the fuel that I'm not saying the line sucks, but I'm saying with the fuel we have now these days, it tears these fucking lines up, and I can't figure out. Those must go to sprocket. Yep. So we'll lay those there. So that's that stuff. Then we got our torque converter. And we got our, I don't think I showed you guys the gas tank yet. So I don't know if you heard of the channel Tyrannus. I don't know if he, Tyrannus Custom. I believe that's how he says it. I don't know if you heard of him, but I watch his channel, and I don't know if he cares if I tell him. But I mean, I'm sure that's what he loves, the shout out, but he's the one that put this in his link in the description. I got the same exact one he's got on his cart. And, but I just don't understand why they just don't come with the nipple on the bottom, which is going to go in there perfectly. It's going to look great. And I don't like how this is rough. Normally it's smooth like the outside piece is. So a couple of things are weird, like this is rough instead of smooth like this on the outside. But it fits great. And the nipples, I got like all kinds of nipples. Let me show you guys. They're actually over here with all the other stuff I got that I didn't really want to reveal yet. Something I got, but I will. So they say not to use the brass ones for some reason. I guess it reacts with them. And I actually screwed it in and seen it looked like it was chewing it up immediately. As soon as I just screwed it in one. And I got these, which have no barbs, but we could still get it to stick pretty good. But I got these ones I ordered from an aircraft thing offline, which was these ones. And then I went back to the store today and bought exactly the same thing. And then bought these ones. I'd like to know, so Tyrannus, if you're listening out there, boy, hit me up in the comments if I got this video uploaded, please. So the shocks was great on there. Got the front end welded up good. But people keep talking about how stiff the ass end is. And since it's got a single axle and 2 points where it is mounted. Let's see if I can get around here. What I'm going to do is, there's a lot of these new buggies that are like this, and it works just fine. So I got this big home joint here, and instead of putting in 2 spots, actually, I'm going to take and I'm going to put this right here, and I'm going to weld it to the sway bar really good. And I'm going to have one connection point, and then I'm going to have this bolt in the center right there. And what that should do is allow a little bit of flex left to right when I go over stuff, instead of just when you hit shit the ass end goes like that, and that's why everything breaks back here. So I'm hoping this allows a little bit of flex from left to right. So that's my little reveal, this heim joint. $20 for one of these, and I'm gonna cut it here. Hopefully, you know, it'll do it. I'm sure it's gonna withstand it just fine. So let's go on this journey. If not, it's not like I'm gonna be getting on this thing and then fucking taking it to town and waylamming it. And I don't know if you watch my videos, but you see what my Harley did to me, and I wasn't even getting on it. But that's how it rolls. But we're gonna be safe, and I am. By the time I get that all done next month, I should have money to buy the rack and pinion, and I'm gonna build my own box. And a double A arm, of course, like everybody else does. So, we got a lot more good stuff to come.